Today is day 5 of spin the motherfucking wheel. Whoever we land on, we have to make a cover art for their style, whatever. Okay, so we got Protect. Or Che. Okay, we got Che. Rest in fucking peace. This should be fire. We're definitely gonna need a mood board for this, like a whole inspiration board. Just gonna take a little minute, I feel like, because I haven't done anything like this. It's very airbrushy, very kind of like hazy, all that shit. So this is the kind of like inspiration we're gonna go for. So obviously this is like the whole inspiration he originally went with, and then we're gonna like, I kind of want to do some shit like this where it's like, we have Che here, maybe put some demon shit on him. Like, we all know this shit we all know the whole aesthetic he was going for. It wasn't very holy, right? So we're gonna do some shit like that. So I got these models here off of Pinterest. I just looked up like 2 models posing, and I'm not really too sure where they're from. Hey, I'm not sure their names, right? So stop asking for the in the comments, right? So we just got some crazy ass pictures of Che from his vault account, or the fan page, like the vault of Che. I'm gonna give him a little follow. That's a good ass plug. Yeah, let's get straight into the actual design here. So we're gonna go obviously start off with these pictures. Like I said before, I want to go for that whole, we could actually even use this picture, like the whole thing. We could have this in the background, then we could do some sky shit. Ooh, this is gonna be fire. Yeah, we could have this like right here. We're gonna have obviously these girls here in the corner, some shit like that. We're gonna bring them down a little bit. We're gonna scale them down. Now I want them to be like still there. We could rotate them a bit. Obviously these, you guys can go crazy with the nude and all that shit, but I'm not doing that for YouTube, bro. But yeah, we're just gonna obviously duplicate this layer right here. So we're just gonna Control J, and we're gonna go to the background, or the back one, delete the layer mask on there just so we have the background, and we're just gonna scale it up just like this. And the reason I'm not putting it all the way up is because I want to put the borders here, so we don't really need to. But yeah, we're just gonna do that, and then we're gonna obviously make a new little layer mask on the one that we deleted, so we have a fresh one. We're just gonna delete like probably like up to his head here, just so it gives us this like really cool effect. This cool effect like this, and then we can put like a sky in there. We'll put the frame in, all that shit. This is gonna be really fire. Use this. We're gonna add some wings. That's actually pretty sick. I'm gonna use this for sure. Just gotta mess around with the proportions and all that. Scale this shit up. Perspective. I'll like pinch it in like this and then pinch it out, just so we can get it like that. Now I'm not too worried about like the quality of anything, because we're gonna obviously soften this shit out, make it like airbrushy. I want to make their eyes like black, just to give it that like demon look. So boom, some shit like that. Pretty decent. We'll probably add some blood dripping down their face or some shit like that. Really make this shit demonic. But respectfully, this is St. Peter's, homage. I might just like completely separate him from this, so we have more control over what we're doing. Oh shit, wait, shit like this is actually like really good for what we could go for. Like this, like distortion right here, like this is actually pretty sick. That actually could be sick, but we're just gonna merge it. And we're just gonna use it like this. Oh, that's actually really good. Actually, let's do that for them all. Like we have just like demons here. Oh wait, that's actually see what it comes out with. What is that guy doing? Hold on, wait, this is actually crazy. Wait, hold on, we might actually be able to go with this. Let me see. We're gonna put like speakers in there too, so we'll put like these in there, even though they're not like massive. They'll do the fucking job. Like that. Obviously it's really bad quality. We have like, it's all gonna come together because it's gotta come together. Yeah, the hardest part of all this would probably just be like getting the right shit to work, like the right effect. But we can put this here. Also, we could probably just use this. Just like squishing this shit, and then I wanted to have it like this. Put the black and white, and then we'll bring it down. So yeah, like right now it's looking pretty dead. All right, right now it's looking dead. but that's just all about change, right? It's actually pretty cool. Actually, I kind of fuck with this. Let me do that again. We'll just keep it clean, some shit like that. That's pretty cool. I'll fuck with that. And then obviously we're gonna make this shit so dynamic. We're gonna go into my ultimate adjustment pack, just to get some, you know, ideas and shit like that. It's kind of like my creative source. But if you guys want to go ahead and check this shit out, go ahead and check out my website down below. Added some new packs on there too. We have a BOGO going on right now, so if you buy one pack you get another for free. But yeah, let's get straight into this shit. We're kind of looking for that vintage look. I think this might be like close to it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna like duplicate this, these two, you know, women, right? We're gonna duplicate these and flip horizontal, put them here. Wait, hold on, this might be cool. We just like merge them and then flip them vertical, bring them up. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I want to put like them gestures in there, so like I don't know what the hell. So I don't know what the hell to put here. Like I don't know. Oh wait, this could actually be really sick if we put these like paintings in here. Oh wait, hold on. Horizontal, boom. Okay. So this is a little bit random, but yeah, we're just gonna do the whole airbrush kind of effect. So I'm pretty sure it would really just be like full blur on it, Gaussian blur, just blur like this. I don't really want it to be super saturated, so we'll bring the black and white. And a lot of these are blown out, so I want to kind of like de-blow them out, if that makes sense. So we're just gonna go into these. I'm gonna really just like merge them, and we'll control L, and we'll go ahead and we'll bring the darks in. Actually, you know what, we could keep it like that, and then I actually want to add, maybe we could add some other shit. Like we could add like a picture like this, and then we could like put a pixelate on it, put the mosaic, bring it up a bit, boom, like that. Just have it like here. Some bullshit. I think this is looking pretty nice, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I fuck with this. Now I want to add some more like paintings on here. I think it's a pretty sick aesthetic like this. Keep them in there. These girls are just I feel like they're way too much for what we're trying to go for. I think this just cleans it up a lot. Like a lot. Wait, that's kind of fire. Wait, it's kind of fire. Now we can mess around with the hue and saturation on this. Kind of just like, oh wait, this low-key like bam. Oh, that's kind of nice. I kind of fuck with that. Oh, the black and white. Hold on. Hold up. What's this? Oh wait, that's kind of clean though. Wait, that's kind of clean. I kind of fuck with that. I don't know what this is. I don't know how. I really like that. I really like that. That's pretty sick. Put this to linear dodge or whatever the fuck that is. That's pretty cool, bro. That's pretty cool. That's like OG. Then that could be like, I don't know which one. I don't know which one to you know fuck with the most. Like I don't know which one I will fuck with the most. But let me know what you guys think about this shit. I kind of do fuck with this. I'm not really too sure, but I feel like this one has more character to it. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, if you guys learned something, or if you just fuck with the series, what I'm doing, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and join the motherfucking Discord. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Yeah.